Hi everyone, Jason here at Lichtsinn RV, Forest City, Iowa. Today we're continuing with our Revel story, and today we're going to feature and point out the shower and the wardrobe. It's got a multi-purpose use to it. We're going to go through and show you how everything measures out in here as far as the shelving, and then also how it transforms from the wardrobe into a shower. We have with us today our in-house Revel expert, Revel Reed, and he is going to measure out the shelves for us. We've had a lot of requests just on overall storage and stuff. So initially what we're going to do is measure from the top down to the bottom of the shower pan. Now keep in mind that the roof does have a curve to it, so this is going to be up to this LED light strip or just inside of it. 71. And that's going to measure 71 inches. With that, you do have a drip rod in there, and that is removable. So again, just using that for wet clothes or whatnot, but that can pop out of place for additional headroom. The first shelf here, from the ceiling down,
12.5
is 12.5. From the second to the middle one,
like 9.25.
probably 9.25. And then from the middle down to the bottom one,
23.25.
we are 23.25. These are bamboo shelves, so highly durable. They can easily pop out here, as we're going to show you, and then transform it into the shower setup. And everything in this shower is 100% water friendly, so nothing will get damaged of that nature when you do move it into a shower. No precautions you need to take into account. You can see you've got storage for your shampoo, soaps down below, toilet paper storage, and then bamboo little shelf on the base plate or the bottom of the shower itself. Up on the top you do have a little fan that's going to run off a 12 volt to bring the air out, and that is how the shelves come out. First we'll put in the shower head. That's just an easy connection, kind of like all of the exterior wash stations, which this coach also has. Then we also have the shower curtain. That's going to have a snap, 2 snaps on the right and left side, and then it also have a center snap. So there's the finished look of how it converts from the wardrobe storage area to the shower. And we look forward to doing another Revel story for you. Stay tuned, as we will be posting more on our website.